Those with body game, those who are jacked, they have a different reality from those who are skinny, those who are fat. And that's just facts. They know the ones. They know those guys that other women want. Bro, you're not even second option. Doesn't that piss you off? If you're genuinely not pissed off by that, you should just pretty much just leave the video. Hello, YouTube. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be telling you how it's so easy to attract women. Body game. No time wasted, let's run it. Now the first point is, women have intuitive nature. You need to understand that the way women think is different from ours, brother. Like, I remember while I was skinny, unconfident, bloated, they would tell me, oh, we love a guy with nice personality. Oh, we love a guy who has dad bod. Oh, he should just treat us nice. And then I look and I'm like, how is it that the guys you guys typically go for does not even match the description? Because I'm the nice guy. I'm the one who is prioritizing personality. I'm the one who is looking average, looking skinny. I'm treating you nice. But the guys they go for is very, very different. And that really got me thinking, like, what they say is very different from what they actually want. Every single action that a woman will take is based off on subconscious nature. Like, they are reacting deeply to the biology. Don't listen to what they want. Always look at a woman's actions. It does not matter what they tell you they want. They always say a lot of things. You don't need to listen to a fish to catch a fish. However, you need to listen to the fisherman. So every single guy that has the results you want, those are the guys you typically should be listening to. I'll be so real with you. I genuinely almost hated women for this, because I was the guy who would prioritize a woman. I was the guy who was the nice guy. I was the guy who pretty much had every single thing they told me. I was still being played. But the moment I started leveling up, getting my body, getting my skin right, getting my finances right, I realized that, yeah, you should not even think of listening to what a woman says. Just throw it away. I'm not saying, like, please, this does not mean that no is not no. When you hear no, no is no, please. However, what they say versus what they want, they are like two different things. My friend usually says it's cognitive dissonance. So say it with me. We do not hate women. Come on, say it with me. We love women. So we do not hate women on this channel. And we're not going to play victims. So we're going to use this information to our advantage and we're going to level up. We're going to improve. We're going to get jacked. We're going to be every single thing that they want subconsciously. They don't actually tell us. So with that said, that's how we are going to operate. We're not victims over here. We operate and we dominate as winners. 2, women are cutthroat. Women do every single thing to their best interests. If you've not heard of the term hypergamy, welcome, brother. Hypergamy simply means they will go for the highest value man. Every single thing is done on a subconscious level to their best interest and also to the best interest of their children. When you actually really think about this is not only women, this is in general, but it is very, very magnified with regards to women. And you should also see the way they speak behind closed doors. Like, I went to this party one time, and while I was in the group of my friends, my female friend was complaining bitterly that she was approached by a guy that did not look good, and she was like, how did he have the audacity to come even close to me, to actually even approach me? And I was like, wow. And that really got me thinking, like, they would operate in their freaking best interest. And do you know the funny thing? The guy who she was like saying, oh, why did he have the audacity to even come and approach me? The thing that even happened to the guy was even quite sad. Some really, really bad stuff happened to him, but there was no compassion for the guy whatsoever. I think they even pulled out his picture. Yes, they pulled out his picture and they were showing him to every other guy and they were like, yeah. All the other females there were like, yeah, this guy really was like, why would he even look at you and even approach you even in the first place? I was skinny or confident. They would just treat you, let's just be a little bit nice to him. It's a very different reality when you are jacked, when you are improving yourself, upgrading yourself in every single way. Like, women can smell insecurity. And while I was skinny, unconfident, and not jacked, not taking care of my body, not taking care of my skin, they could sniff that. I feel like not even only women, any normal person can sniff your insecurity. But you see, women, they got a nose specifically to snuff out the insecurity. I'm not even playing with you. So I'm gonna show you the treatment versus now. Is so clear that if you are a guy on your grind, and they're not stupid as well. Like, they know a guy who's on your grind. They know the guy who other women want. I remember when I was with this babe and she kept on asking me, oh, how many other girls are you texting? Every single time. It really just drove into my subconscious mind that they know the ones. They know those guys that other women want. They know those guys that are improving on a day-to-day basis. I remember I was literally like chopping it up with one of my friends and he was about 136 kilograms and he dropped down to around 1.9. We were downing on his physique, we were downing on his nutrition as well. He was like, he told me how the babe who broke up with him and she came back recently, she started saying that she likes abs, that she likes a fit guy, but she was not telling him that when he was 36 kilograms. And that's exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Like, the moment you make that body shift, and I think when you really believe that fitness is the foundation, fitness really, it just gave me an avenue where I could pour a lot into myself. When the fitness actually started improving, everything else started improving. The skin started coming in. The fashion started coming in. The swagger started coming in. The confidence started coming in. Like, if you don't even take anything from this video, you be put on the reality that women will treat every single guy differently. And you just have to just know that those with body gain, those who are jacked, they have a different reality from those who are skinny, those who are fat. And that's just facts. You don't have to hate the player, you have to hate the game. All right, now the third point is women have no rules for Chad and Tyrone. You see this right here? Has to be one of the most profoundest things because they'll always give you these rules that, oh, you like dinner dates, oh, he has to do this, he has to do that. But brother, they break the rules for guys, for the Chads and the Tyrones. When you actually get your fitness on point, when you start looking a certain type of way, when you have every single thing start going for you, I can assure you, the rules just fall off. I realize that I don't need to be sweating, to be texting good morning text. I realize that I don't always need to be always stressing on even how to even like get her over to minds. Like simple basic things, like just the simple fact that like you're improving, they know that probably like if they're not getting their chance with you, most likely other girls are. You're literally just like pushed into abundance. It's like, it's just free game. Honestly, I feel like the moment you just get jacked, it's only up from there, to be honest. Like, I really can't lie to you. I just can't lie. Like, you got the body, you got the face, you got the finances. Like, you're just gonna just keep on improving. Because how you do one thing is how you do every single thing. It's just gonna keep on spilling over. Like, every single time when I was just like going to the gym, I think the biggest thing was just reminding myself that I just wanted more. I just wanted more. I wanted more. The time period where I genuinely got heartbroken, like, I thought this babe was the one. I was still within my nice guy era. I had the personality, I still do, but like I would prioritize these women over my purpose. I was just doing some degenerate behaviors. I got my heart broken as well. I was also broke at the time because I had paid like 3 months of rent. It was a very dark period in my life. I would just stay in my room and the only thing I would see was just darkness. One day it just came to my mind that if I had lost a girl, I don't have money, I don't have anything going for me. If I'm at the lowest point, I should just probably just try and just look up for the very first time. And the moment I just started showing up for myself and doing every single thing, I realized that there are no rules for the guys that they like the double texting. Like I remember like there was this bad babe, like she looks amazing, like my type. I don't even know how to even describe, and I'm a very picky person. I think my friends know this, like I'm picky as heck. But this babe was gorgeous. This babe would double text. I was like, sometimes it even blew me off guard. I was literally like, I like the fact that you don't even play games. I can assure you, if you're not pissed off with the fact that like the Chads and Tyrones are getting every single thing and you're going as the 4th round, bro, you're not even second option. Like, you're not second option. Like, doesn't that piss you off? There are guys who have the reality that you want. There are guys who are chilling. There are guys who don't even need to stress. There are guys who have just put in the work and they're just being rewarded for it. If you're not pissed off by that, if you're genuinely not pissed off by that, you should just pretty much just leave the video. If you're not pissed off, I don't know what to even tell you. Honestly, for me, that was very annoying. My friend always would say this, like, people are living with the realities that you want. And the biggest thing I'll tell you from this video is you will never regret doing more. You will never regret doing more in regards to your fitness. You never regret doing more in regards to losing your weight. I look at my friend right now who lost that amount of weight. He looks at himself with a different level of happiness, a different level of confidence. Like the way he's dressed, I looked at him, I was just like, I think there was a time where he got his hair cut and his jawline, every single thing was popping. I was like, bro, you look good. I just told him, I was like, my guy, you look amazing. And that really just got me into like, you will never ever regret doing more. You will never regret showing up for yourself. You will never regret taking those tiny little steps to improve your life. You will never ever regret it. And I'm just trying to tell you that if you're watching this video and you genuinely want that more, you genuinely want to get jacked, you genuinely want to start showing up for yourself in your finances, start showing up for yourself in your dating life, you should book a call with the link and I'll really love to hear from you. I understand what it is to be at the other side and I understand what it is to be at this point right now. And I can tell you this one thing, it is day and night. And that's pretty much the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Even if like you didn't take anything from this video, it is pretty much just pouring to yourself, brother. Like, I'm not one of those red pill guys who is on the whole thing where shading on women, be shouting, be pissing you off. I'm just trying to tell you this one thing. My main message to you is do more and show up for yourself. Show up on the days where you don't even want to do the work. Show up on the days where it feels like nobody's coming to save you. And the only person who you can see is that guy in the mirror. Show up for that person. Show up, like pour so much into yourself. And with that said, peace, ladies and gentlemen.